Hey guys, I have a 2002 Ford Escape here, and I went to move my rear view mirror and the thing fell off. So you can see that here's my rear view mirror that came off. It actually pulled this little metal tab, bracket, whatever you want to call it, off the windshield. So I went out and purchased some of this Permatex Rearview Mirror Adhesive. I scraped off the old residue off of this little tab, and then reapplied the adhesive, stuck it on here. It needs about 30 minutes. I gave it actually a full day to cure up here because it's winter time and it's a little cooler. We had 50-degree temperatures, but then now you have the rear view mirror. Just want to make sure you orient it the right way, and then it just slides on over this metal tab, okay? I can't do this one-handed because I'm holding the camera, so I'm going to set the camera down for a second and put it on there. One thing you need to do is, before you place your metal tab onto your windshield, is make sure you draw with like a grease pencil on the opposite side of the windshield so you know exactly where this metal tab should get glued on, because once you scrape the residue off, you don't know for sure where it is. You want to put it in the same spot. So we just marked it with a grease pencil and made sure that we put it in the right spot when we reattach that metal tab again. So one extra little trick. You want to do that on the outside of the windshield so you can easily clean it off. Ours is already cleaned off because of the rain, so that made it a little easier. Then you just pop it right back on and you're all set. That's all there is to it. It just slides right on and you got your rear view mirror back on. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more DIY videos. See you soon.